Sweet potatoes are highly nutritious and have many health benefits. Here are some of them. High in fiber, sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, which can help promote digestive health and prevent constipation. Rich in antioxidants, sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which can help protect against damage caused by free radicals in the body. Good for heart health, the potassium in sweet potatoes can help lower blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. May improve brain function. Sweet potatoes are a good source of choline, which is important for brain development and function. May help regulate blood sugar. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which means they can help regulate blood sugar levels. Can help with weight loss. Sweet potatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help promote weight loss. Versatile and delicious, sweet potatoes can be cooked in a variety of ways and are a tasty addition to any meal. Overall, sweet potatoes are a great addition to a healthy and balanced diet. Thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked my video, please do like and post your suggestions in the comments.